Now we will see how you can take trade with retracement pattern. With retracement candle and with retracement pattern, how you can take trade in the market. How you can take trade with retracement pattern and with trend continuation in pocket option, Cortex or any binary options broker. But before it, if you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is in description. And pocket option and Cortex account opening link is in description and pin comment. So here you can see on next candle, I gone with sellers. Why? Because there is a level here. You can see there is a SNR level. Plus, this is a two buyers candle. This is just a retracement candle. Why I am telling you that this is just a retracement candle? Because you can see trend is going down. Plus here we have to take first three confirmations. You can see 2, 2, 1. So what is maximum retracement candle coming here? Maximum retracement is 2. Plus there is a level. So if market go up also, then also from this level market will reject and come down, and next candle will be seller's candle only. I know this thing very well. That's why directly on next candle I gone with sellers. So always you have to take confirmations. You can see what is the trend here. The trend is going down. After this two buyers candle I gone with sellers and I want this trade because the trend is going down. Plus this two buyers candle, like I told you, is just a retracement candle. And always you have to follow the trend. Trend is your friend. I always tell that if you want to make money in binary options trading, then you always have to follow trend. If you are not following trend and you are taking trades blindly in the market, then in long run you will not make money in binary options trading. If you want to earn money from binary options trading, then you do not have to go against the trend. Plus see the SNR levels. You always have to focus on support and resistance level. If you are not focusing on support and resistance level, then in long run you will not make money. First you have to see support and resistance. Plus you have to see how market is moving, where market is going. You have to read the price action and candlestick psychology, and after that only you have to take trade in the market. I hope you understand. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is on the screen and contact details is in this video description. Thank you, God bless you all, and have a successful trading.